Hey everyone, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for stopping by and enjoying. I'm out here with the Cannondale Adventure 2, and I had a mirror on, and the bike fell, and there goes the mirror. Now it's made of a soft aluminum pores, and it can be glued back on, not that hard to do. And there's the mirror. Now if it was made a little stronger, it wouldn't have broke. If it would have fell the opposite way, it wouldn't have broke. I'm not sure what has happened. Maybe I hit the little arch on the floor, the little crack, the little step, and that's what gave. It is what it is, and it fell just like that. Put a pin in here, drill a hole on both sides, right? Don't have to be super deep. Put it on there, and that'll give it strength and maneuverability. Now, things do not last forever. Now, what happens if the camera breaks and fails? What would you do then? Now, GoPro, DJI, Insta, Akaso, Swan, and many other companies out there on the market, from budget cameras to excellent cameras. I don't know if there's any professional action cameras. Even Sony, they're in the game. Canon got in the game. And these cameras cater to vloggers. So there are different choices to make out there on the market of the cameras you like to see. And use it for jogging, biking, walking, anything imaginable for whatever sport or hobby you do, and share it to the world. The best one that you got can be a phone. And what's in these phones are basically almost what in the cameras. Phones today do it all. Nothing wrong with having a phone and grabbing a picture. And even you want a camera that does 360 degrees, we could do that with photos. And you just do one of these. And there are apps out there, but they won't get the perfect shot. Like today, the Insta360 X5. And you'll see people talking about Insta, DJI, and GoPro being one of the excellent cameras in today. And don't get me wrong, can't have them all. I'm happy I got a GoPro, a DJI, and an Insta. I'm happy I got all three cameras that I could have fun with. Basically, that's all. Now, I don't do the things like I used to. Maybe you do it all and you're first getting into it. And you'll find out. You may have an interest and you love it. You may have an interest, oh man, that's too much work. And I'm not talking about the X5 and doing the editing. I'm just talking about getting into a hobby. Well, there you go. I'm gonna hop on my bike, get on out of here, take a nice slow ride, and come along and enjoy, come along and join me. I just couldn't spit that word out. Let's get along, get where we need to be at, and have fun riding. I have to get onto the right-hand lane because I got here is the sand cleaner. So let's stay on the safe side of things, be out of his way. So here we go, let's get on now. Let me take you down my favorite little block. Yes, indeed. Got some nice houses, one after the other. And let me show you on the other side some of the nice houses as well. I'm trying to remember what type of car this is. I'm not sure how old it is. But it's not the car I'm thinking of. It just reminded me of the car I was thinking of. The sun is up, the golden hour, shining nice and bright on me. And you hear the Canadian geese flying by. I headed over to this side of the road so the sun don't blind me. We're right along. Lights on the trees are still on. Beautiful day, brisk and cold. Those summer mornings. Bagel shop's closed. And what's funny about it? Anything that has gas ovens of stores are now turning to electric. Probably caught up to them and they got to convert over to electric. Well, I shared a lot, showed a lot, said a lot. Time for me to get on going. Go meet up with Joe and take care of some bizwax and do some editing and see what I could put together and share to the world my way. And on that note, I'll see you on the next one.